Hi, I'm Kurt and I'm the manager here at the Castle Roller Skating in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We had a problem with our roof and we came to realize it about 6 months ago that we were going to have to look at totally replacing the roof. We had leaks all over the place, nothing but one problem after another with every single rainstorm. We had got a referral from a friend about MR roofing and decided to include them in the 8 to 10 proposals that we got. And I have to honestly say that their proposal was the best and most detailed proposal that I had ever seen. Told us every little thing that was going to be done to our roof. There were pricing options if we wanted more work done or less work done. And in the end, we were so impressed we decided to go with the whole kit and caboodle and got the entire roof replaced. I have to say that since then, we have had no problems at all. Even some of the heaviest rainstorms that we've had here recently in the area, we haven't had one leak at all, and we've been absolutely thrilled. One of the concerns that I did have was having a construction site in an area where children were going to be coming every evening, because the business was able to remain open while the roof was being repaired. And MR Roofing took care of that for me because they made sure that everything was cleaned up at the end of every single day. There wasn't one thing left sitting out or sitting around. And in fact, if you weren't here during the day and seeing the guys working, you would have had no idea we were even getting our roof replaced. One of the things that MR Roofing educated us on was that the source of a lot of our problem was that in the original construction of the roof, which was obviously done by another company, the shingles were brought up way too high and there wasn't enough pitch. And we learned that if you don't have enough pitch where a shingle area is, the water can just run underneath the shingles, and that was what was causing us apparently a lot of our problems. Here at the top where we are, you can see that we added on an extra 10 feet, I believe it was, of rubber to get the shingles down lower to where there was more of a pitch, and the water just rolls down the rubber and right down the shingle. No more leaks, no more problems. We're absolutely thrilled. The job was supposed to take about three and a half weeks, weather depending, of course, and they did finish it up in about 2.5 weeks. The thing I liked most about working with MR Roofing was the professionalism of everyone, from the person who did our proposal to every last worker on the construction site. They were very personable. If I ever had any questions or concerns, they were more than happy to take the time to address them with me. But to be completely honest, we really didn't have that many concerns. They came in, they did their thing, and we ended up with a beautiful roof, and we are really thankful for them. And we would definitely recommend MR Roofing to anybody. If anyone ever has any questions, you can feel free to email us through our website. It's castlerollerskating.com. I cannot recommend them highly enough, and they were truly the best company I've worked with in recent history.